Owning a home is a full-time job. Cleaning, maintenance, lawn mowing, and everything in between leaves you with little free time. Chasing down business cards and waiting for returned calls is a major drag too. What if there were an app that would connect you with home technicians ready to perform any number of tasks? And what if those technicians used environmentally friendly solutions like electric mowers and power washers to take care of your home? Welcome to the Bnji App. Bnji was created to make your life easier and the planet healthier. Bnji connects you and your home with an army of home technicians right in your neighborhood, all equipped to take care of your home's needs. With Bnji, you can plan your entire year of tasks, set it and forget it, or request immediate service. It's entirely up to you. From garage cleaning to organizing your closet, Bnji has you covered. Get the Bnji app today and set your home on autopilot. Bnji, it really is that simple.